Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Isa17. Today I'm gonna be talking about a body mist that is called Burnt Vanilla by Victoria's Secret. So if you wanna hear what I have to say about it, please stay. Before going to the video, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell. I wanted to talk about this body mist because it's kind of a popular one and it smells pretty good, so I thought, well, it would be a good idea to tell you about it. So this body mist, and I have used it so many times before, so I thought, yes, why not, right? Why not? So I was looking at the notes and I only found 2 notes, and I look at Fragrantica, they only have these 2 notes. There was cashmere and vanilla. So the body mist, when I spray it on, that's what I get, really vanilla. And the vanilla is a nice, beautiful vanilla. It's sweet, but I also smell, at least on my skin, I also get a little of like a burnt sugar type of smell, but that smell is very minimal. It's not the star. The star definitely is the vanilla. It's a nice, well-made vanilla, in my opinion. I enjoy. The only thing that I don't like about this body mist is and that's the reason why I don't keep buying it, is because even though it smells good, because I enjoy the smell, but the projection is not very good. I have to spray maybe 7-8 times to get a good strong projection because it's kind of weak. If I have to say low, medium, high, I will say low to medium, but mostly low. So I really like to overspray to get that punch, you know. Now when I first spray it, it's there, it's nice, smelling. As it's right down, it becomes more like a skin scent. I mean, people are still able to smell me, but if they approach to me, if they get close to me, then they smell it. If they are, you know, a few feet away, I don't think they can smell it anymore. And me, the same thing. I get to smell myself, but more like if I get close to my skin, to where I put the perfume. Now on the clothes, it lasts longer. Of course, everything I've seen that you put on clothes lasts longer, whether it is a perfume, body mist, or whatever it is. But when it comes to the duration, that's something good, because at least on my skin, it's about an average of 6 hours with this one, which I think is very good, because body mist, I gotta be honest with you, on my skin at least they don't seem to last much, even though there are some that has such a beautiful smells, but they don't really seem to last long. So anyway, but this one gives me an average of 6 hours. So I like that about this body mist, and the smell is really nice. I really enjoy it. I think it's a beautiful body mist. It's just a projection. The projection is the one that I don't like, because it's very close to my skin. It's more like a second skin type of smelling instead of a loud, you know, big on your face type of projection. But if you are the type of person that likes perfume, that like to wear fragrances, but you like your fragrances to be very shy, very soft and quiet down, I think this one will be a good option. Or if you are the type of person that like vanilla, I think you might like this one, because the vanilla here is nice. I like it. I enjoy the vanilla here. Now, when would I wear a fragrance like this? I think this body mist is very simple. To me, the type of occasions I will wear will be for something, you know, day to day, like I'm gonna run some errands, or I'm gonna go to school, something like that. Does it have an age on it? Would I put an age, say only this type of person from this age can wear it or not? No, I don't think so. I think anybody from any age can wear this perfume, because it's very open for everybody. That type of smell is very inviting, and I think anybody can wear that type of smell. But that's it for today. Thank you very much for being here. I hope that you like this video. If it is so, give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.